The latest OX Tools 2026 lineup is here, bringing next-level durability, precision, and performance for professionals and DIY users. From advanced measuring systems to heavy-duty cutting and storage solutions, these tools are built to handle the toughest job site demands. Every product is designed to improve speed, accuracy, and efficiency in real working conditions. The OX Pro level range is engineered for maximum accuracy, durability, and professional-grade performance in construction and installation work. Built with a reinforced aluminum frame, it delivers exceptional strength while remaining lightweight for easy handling on job sites. High-visibility vials ensure quick and precise readings even in low-light environments, improving workflow efficiency. Shock-resistant end caps protect the tool from accidental drops and impacts, extending its lifespan in tough working conditions. Available in multiple lengths, this range is suitable for everything from small carpentry tasks to large-scale structural projects. It is trusted by builders, contractors, and engineers who require consistent leveling accuracy. Whether used for framing, alignment, or installation, the OX Pro level range guarantees reliable performance and professional precision every single time. The OX Tools Speedframe is a modern measuring and framing system designed to dramatically improve speed, accuracy, and efficiency on construction sites. Its lightweight yet durable construction ensures easy handling without sacrificing strength or reliability. Integrated measurement guides allow users to mark precise angles, straight lines, and layouts quickly, reducing setup time significantly. This tool is especially useful for carpentry, roofing, and framing tasks where accuracy and speed are critical. The ergonomic design provides comfortable grip and smooth operation during extended use. Built for professionals, it helps eliminate measurement errors and improves overall workflow productivity. The Speedframe transforms traditional manual layout work into a faster, more efficient process, making it an essential tool for modern builders and construction experts working under tight deadlines. The OX Pro Ultrablade 8M tape measure is built for accuracy, strength, and durability in demanding construction environments. Its ultra-strong blade design ensures long extension reach without bending or breaking, making it ideal for large-scale measuring tasks. The high-visibility markings provide clear and easy reading in all lighting conditions, improving precision on the job. A reinforced housing protects the internal mechanism from drops and impacts, extending tool life significantly. The smooth locking system allows secure blade positioning for accurate measurements every time. Ergonomic rubber grip enhances comfort and control during repeated use. Designed for professionals, it performs reliably in carpentry, construction, and installation work. This tape measure combines toughness and precision, making it an essential everyday tool for accurate field measurements. The OX Pro 3-axis laser kit delivers advanced precision for professional leveling, alignment, and layout tasks. Featuring multi-directional laser projection, it allows users to achieve perfect horizontal, vertical, and cross-line alignment with ease. This makes it ideal for construction, tiling, framing, and interior installation work where accuracy is critical. The self-leveling system ensures consistent results even on uneven surfaces, reducing setup time and errors. Its durable protective casing is designed to withstand tough job site conditions, including dust and minor impacts. The bright laser lines provide excellent visibility both indoors and in low-light environments. Easy to set up and operate, this tool significantly improves workflow efficiency. It is a must-have for professionals seeking precision, speed, and reliability in alignment tasks. The OX Replaceable Tip Chisel is designed for professional tradespeople who need durability, precision, and long service life in demanding job site conditions. Built with a hardened steel body, it delivers outstanding strength for heavy-duty chiseling, demolition, and shaping tasks. The replaceable tip system allows users to quickly swap worn-out tips instead of replacing the entire tool, significantly reducing long-term costs and downtime. Its ergonomic soft grip handle ensures comfort and better control during extended use while reducing hand fatigue. The reinforced striking cap is engineered to withstand repeated hammer impacts without deformation. Ideal for carpenters, masons, and construction workers, this chisel performs reliably in both rough and precision applications. It combines efficiency, safety, and practicality in one smart tool solution today. The OX Maxforce Pliers are built for extreme gripping power, precision control, and long-lasting durability in professional environments. Constructed from hardened forged steel, they deliver maximum strength for cutting, twisting, and gripping tough materials like wires, bolts, and pipes. The high-leverage jaw design reduces effort while increasing cutting efficiency, making demanding tasks easier and faster. Ergonomic anti-slip handles provide superior comfort and reduce strain during repetitive use, even in heavy-duty applications. Precision machined teeth ensure a firm, secure grip without slipping, improving safety and accuracy on the job. These pliers are ideal for electricians, plumbers, mechanics, and general construction work. Designed to perform in harsh conditions, they maintain reliability and strength over long-term industrial use without compromise or performance loss. The Ox Pro 1200mm Tuff Rule is designed for precision measuring in demanding construction and woodworking applications. Made from high-quality hardened aluminum, it offers excellent durability while maintaining lightweight handling. Its clear, easy-to-read markings ensure accurate measurements for both metric and imperial systems, improving efficiency on the job. The rigid structure prevents bending during use, ensuring consistent accuracy across long surfaces. Ideal for carpenters, builders, and engineers, this rule performs well in both indoor and outdoor environments. The anti-corrosion finish enhances longevity, even under harsh working conditions. Whether used for cutting, marking, or alignment tasks, it delivers dependable performance every time. This tool is built for professionals who require precision, strength, and reliability in their everyday measuring tasks. The Ox Pro 5-piece chisel set, 16mm to 38mm, is designed for professional woodworkers and carpenters who demand precision, durability, and sharp cutting performance. Each chisel is crafted from high-quality hardened steel, ensuring long-lasting edge retention even under heavy use. The set includes multiple sizes, making it suitable for detailed carving, shaping, and heavy-duty wood removal tasks. Ergonomically designed handles provide a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended working sessions. The reinforced striking caps allow safe use with a hammer or mallet without damaging the tool structure. Whether working on fine furniture or rough construction timber, this set delivers consistent results. It is an essential toolkit addition for professionals who require accuracy, control, and strength in woodworking applications every day. The Ox Pro Dual Lock Tape Measure is built for maximum control, accuracy, and convenience on professional job sites. Featuring a dual locking system, it allows users to securely lock the blade in place for precise measurements without slippage. The heavy-duty nylon-coated blade ensures durability, resistance to wear, and smooth retraction over long-term use. Clear, high-contrast markings improve readability in all lighting conditions, making it ideal for construction and carpentry work. Its shock-resistant casing protects internal components from drops and rough handling. Designed for professionals who need reliability and speed in demanding environments where precision is critical for every project, this tape measure delivers consistent accuracy and long-lasting performance in demanding environments. The Ox Pro leather tool storage range is designed for professionals who need durability, organization, and style on the job site. Made from premium-grade leather, it offers exceptional strength and resistance to wear and tear, even under harsh working conditions. Multiple compartments and reinforced stitching provide secure storage for tools, nails, and accessories, ensuring easy access during work. Heavy-duty rivets and reinforced stress points increase durability and lifespan significantly. This storage range is ideal for carpenters, electricians, and construction workers who require efficient tool organization. Combining traditional craftsmanship with modern functionality, it ensures tools stay protected, organized, and always within reach during demanding professional tasks. The Ox Pro Claw Bar is engineered for maximum leverage, strength, and efficiency in demolition and construction tasks. Built from hardened steel, it provides exceptional durability and resistance against bending or deformation under heavy load. Its precision-designed claw ends allow easy lifting, prying, and nail removal with minimal effort. The ergonomic design ensures a firm grip, improving control and reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Ideal for carpentry, renovation, and demolition work, this tool performs reliably in tough environments. The reinforced striking surface adds versatility for hammering applications when needed. Whether removing nails, lifting materials, or dismantling structures, the Ox Pro Claw Bar delivers powerful performance and long-lasting durability. It is a must-have tool for professionals who demand strength and precision in every task they perform. The Ox Plumbing range is designed specifically for professional plumbers who require reliability, precision, and durability on every job. Built with high-quality materials, each tool in this range ensures long-lasting performance even under demanding working conditions. It includes essential plumbing tools engineered for cutting, tightening, and fitting tasks with maximum efficiency. Ergonomic handles provide superior comfort and reduce hand fatigue during extended use. The tools are designed to deliver precise control, making installation and repair work faster and more accurate. Corrosion-resistant finishes ensure durability when exposed to water and moisture. Whether working on residential or commercial plumbing systems, this range offers dependable performance. It is an essential toolkit for professionals who value efficiency, strength, and precision in every plumbing task they perform daily. The Ox Pro Brick Rule is designed for precision masonry and construction layout work. Built from durable, lightweight aluminum, it provides excellent strength while remaining easy to handle on site. Clear, easy-to-read markings ensure accurate measurement of brick spacing, courses, and alignment, improving efficiency for bricklayers and builders. Its rigid structure prevents bending or distortion, ensuring consistent accuracy across all measurements. The corrosion-resistant finish enhances durability, making it suitable for outdoor construction environments. Ideal for professional masons, this tool helps maintain uniformity and precision in brickwork projects. Whether used for new construction or renovation work, it ensures faster layout planning and reduced errors. The Ox Pro Brick Rule is an essential tool for achieving professional-grade masonry results with accuracy and reliability. The Ox ToolTrek storage system is a modular and durable storage solution designed for professionals who need organization, portability, and protection for their tools. Built with impact-resistant materials, it ensures maximum durability in harsh job site environments. The modular design allows users to stack and customize storage units based on their specific needs, improving efficiency and workflow. Secure locking mechanisms keep tools safe during transport, while reinforced handles provide comfortable carrying. Waterproof and dust-resistant construction protect valuable tools from environmental damage. Ideal for tradesmen, contractors, and technicians, this system keeps tools organized and easily accessible. Whether on-site or in transit, it ensures convenience and reliability. The ToolTrek storage system is built for professionals who demand smart, flexible, and tough storage solutions. That's the latest OX Tools 2026 lineup, packed with innovation, durability, and professional-grade performance. These tools are built to make every job faster, easier, and more precise. Whether you're on a construction site or workshop, this collection delivers real value and reliability for serious users who demand the best.